After 3 days on trail following a red-eye flight from SFO, I am settling into the fatigue from long days and more sleepless nights than sleepful nights. Perhaps tonight will be different. We washed up in the river again today, and it seems as though we are falling into a daily routine of sorts. River seems at home here, exploring a new world, excited to find play and laughter in every moment. He is a good influence on me.
Yep, you have to open it.
Open. Open.
Open.
Open.
You want to hold or pump?
Oh, open. Pop. Pop.
What does River want to do?
He's going to hold.
You want to hold? You sure you don't want to pump?
Yeah.
I can help you. You can ride the pump, can you?
Touch water.
River, do you like beans and rice?
Yeah.
Do you think this is a good dinner? Is this your favorite dinner?
I just touched.
Go to your side.
Do you want one more bite?
Yeah.
He's coming over to you.
Yeah.
You
have
gonna come
more.
over to me,
Yeah.
my precious child? Okay, let's switch sides.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or he can come sit next to you.
Wanna come sit next to me?
Yeah.
Come sit next to me, my child.
I just touched.
Big F, little f, what begins with F? 4 fluffy feathers on a fiffer.